In this quick video, I will show you how to delete your Gmail or Google account permanently. And also, as a bonus tip, I will show you how to recover it if you change your mind later. This video is for educational purposes only, so please follow every step carefully. In your browser, please go ahead and type gmail.com. To delete your Gmail or Google account permanently, you must have to log in first. So let's go ahead, log into my demo Gmail account. Once you are in Gmail, go to the right top of your screen and here we're supposed to go to account. Another method to go to account directly, you could just go ahead and put this URL in the browser, myaccount.google.com. Once you are in my account setting, please go ahead and click on data privacy in the left bar of your screen. Now scroll down to the bottom and here you will find an option delete your Google account. Before deleting, if you want, you could go ahead and download all of your Gmail account data here. And then please make sure you have go through all of this information very carefully. Here, you could see that all this content will be deleted, including Gmail, YouTube, Calendar, contacts, and Google Play apps and digital content. If you have any pending financial transaction, you will still be responsible for those charges. That's fine. You have to select yes, I acknowledge. And secondly, you have to select yes, I want permanently delete this Google account and all its data. Once you are 100% verified and you have downloaded all of your data, you could just go ahead and click on this delete account button. Now here you will see your Google account and all its data have been deleted. If you accidentally deleted your Google account, you have a short amount of time to try to recover it. Now let's quickly also walk you through the recovery process. Now here please enter your email account or the phone number associated with your email. So I'm entering that email account which we have deleted. Let's go next. The account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. Click next to attempt to restore this account. Let's enter the password of the account that we have deleted just few seconds ago. Click next. And here got the code or the backup email to recover my Gmail account. You could get code either on your email or your number. Just go ahead and try other ways. Let me enter the code. Next. And I have successfully undeleted and recovered my account. Let's continue. That's perfect. So that's it about today's video. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Take care. Bye.